Blueberries are a crop that are rapidly conquering Ukrainian berry farms. They promise higher sale prices, export potential and strong demand from processors. But behind this berry dream often lie unspoken risks. Today we will explore the potential problems that can arise when growing blueberries and how to prevent them. In blueberry cultivation, like with any crop, everything begins with a well-thought-out strategy. And right away, there are three key risks that often become the source of serious problems. First, the site. Blueberries are sensitive to soil acidity, type and density. If these parameters don't meet the required standards, it can negatively impact your future harvest. Second, the water. It is not just about its availability, but also its quality, including pH level and hardness. Remember, irrigation water is a resource just as important as the land itself. The next risk is improper irrigation and weather. Blueberries are particularly sensitive to unstable weather conditions. Summer heat and drought can cause sun scald on berries, reduce their size and lead to premature ripening. Hail and windstorms can damage both the berries and the shoots, responsible for future yields. And heavy downpours can lead to waterlogged soil and the development of root rot. Under such stressful conditions, it's wise to use Vanderleaf amino 43. It is a source of amino acids that activate the plant's natural defense mechanisms, helping the crop recover from heat, drought and cold stress. Summer heat causes sunburn, strong winds damage shoots and downpours waterlog the soil, treating the root systems. Want to reduce these risks and protect your berries, especially thin-skinned varieties? We recommend Vanderleaf monocalcium 14 to build strong cell walls, reduce damage from sun and hail and extend the berry's shelf life. Vanderleaf vegan fruit is a complex fertilizer with a focus on boron, zinc, sulfur, manganese, iron and amino acids, exactly what blueberries need during the berry filling and ripening period. These micronutrients support metabolism and help the plant better endure stress. They also reduce the incidence of physiological diseases like gray mold, phomopsis, twig blight and anthracnose. Ultimately, to get the highest possible blueberry yield, it's crucial not just to react to adverse conditions, but to act proactively. This starts with a carefully planned nutrition system and an adaptive program for changing weather. Contact us and our agronomist will help tailor a nutrition system specially for your growing conditions. The recommendation you receive will help you increase yield, maintain product quality and optimize your costs.